Now let's demonstrate the concept of cost models. So let's go to our compute. I'll click on compute. Now here under the SQL warehouse, well, let's say I want to click on these three dots. I'll go to edit, and here if we look, we got the important terms related to cost models. If we look here, the DBU, this is a abstract unit of processing power which varies by the workload type. If we have like a lightweight workload, we can go with 2x small, or let's say if there are the most intense workloads, we might need to use a larger cluster size, maybe 4x large, 3x large, depends upon our day-to-day business or project activities. Now if you look here, another cost related thing is auto stop. We can increase this as per our requirement, but please make sure if we are not using it, then the additional cost will incur, which we don't want. So for a safer side, let's say if you usually don't use after 10 minutes, the cluster will auto stop, saving you cost. Then scaling also adds up to the cost as much as scalings. If you need, if you look database, the DBUs, it will vary because single is 4 into 2 will be 8. So it's mentioned 4 to 8 depending upon your scaling, right? As per our workload, if you want to auto scale, this will kick in. Again, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So that's why higher limit is shows as 12. And the lower limit, which is for 1, that is 4 into 1 is 4. So that is the lower limit. If in minimum it requires 4. So this all things contributes to cost. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.